IKEA is a global home furnishing brand from Sweden that has transformed the way the world thinks about interior design. Now, for its philosophy of democratic design, IKEA delivers the perfect blend of Scandinavian style, smart functionality, and affordability. From minimalist furniture to innovative home solution, IKEA inspires millions to create living space that are cozy, efficient, and full of personality. More than just a furniture store, IKEA is a symbol of a modern lifestyle, one that values simplicity, creativity, and sustainability. With a strong commitment to eco-friendly practices, IKEA continues to innovate through the use of recycled materials, renewable energy, and durable product design. Whether shopping in store or online, IKEA offers an enjoyable experience for everyone looking to turn their house into a true home.